Frightful First World War.
How the First World War all started was really complicated, and I mean complicated.
Read all about it. Britain on brink of war to end all wars.
Gentlemen, we face a most difficult decision, most difficult.
Oh dear, sir.
Yes, now, tea or coffee?
You're right, sir. That is difficult.
That's not the decision, you fool!
Isn't it, sir?
No, we face a much more difficult decision than that. Gentlemen, we are facing a great war.
War?
Yes, war.
Why?
Why war? Because an Austrian has been killed by a Serb in Bosnia, and that means war.
I see.
Sir,
Yes, Maltravers.
why does an Austrian being killed by a Serb in Bosnia mean war, sir?
Because of Russia.
Why?
Because Russia supports Serbia and Austria supports Bosnia, and so on.
I support Arsenal.
Shut up, Blenkinsop.
So an Austrian has been killed by a Serbian in Bosnia, which means Austria might invade Serbia and then Russia will invade Austria.
Correct! Any questions?
Yes, sir.
What is it, Maltravers?
How does this involve Britain, sir?
Well, Maltravers, who would you say is your best friend?
Oh, well, Blenkinsop, sir. He's a spiffing fellow.
And if I were to punch Blenkinsop in the nose, what do you think he would do?
Well, nobody punches Blenkinsop and gets away with it.
Thanks, old bean.
Exactly, exactly. So, if Russia threatens Austria, Austria's best friend will offer support. And who is Austria's best friend?
Not Blenkinsop.
No! Germany! Germany is Austria's best friend, Maltravers.
Austria and Germany sitting in the tree. K-I-S-S-I-N-G.
Yes! So, if Russia were to attack Austria, Germany would attack Russia. But that will leave Germany undefended on the other side. So, if Germany were to attack Russia, she would also have to attack France.
France?
Yes, France. And if Germany were to attack France, it would leave Belgium threatened. And Belgium is our friend. So, we would hop in there to defend them.
So, we've all got to go and fight in a war because of that, sir.
Yes, Maltravers.
Well, I might get killed, sir.
Yes, you might, Maltravers. But it would all be for a good cause.
So, where is Bosnia again?
Ugh.